Hey Wigo Farm, if you're looking for how to buy and stake Wigo, then this step-by-step video is exactly for you. Step 1. Go to WigoSwap.io, hover around trade and click on swap. Before you swap, you need to connect your wallet, so head over to connect and choose the wallet you want to use. In the swap section, you go to the token you want to swap to and you click on Wigo. To purchase Wigo, input the amount of tokens you want to swap, in this case Fantom, or input the amount of Wigo you want to buy. Then you head over to swap and you confirm from your wallet. Now that you've bought your Wigo, head over to earn and choose either Wigo Farm or Wigo Bank. Wigo Farm is a collection of pools you could stake your LP tokens in to earn Wigo and a percentage of all the fees from those pools. With Wigo Bank, you can either stake your Wigo to auto compound, or you could manually restake your earnings. Now this is what makes it my favorite feature. Before you stake, you will have to enable the contract. After enabling the contract, you will be able to choose the amount of Wigo you want to stake, and then all you have to do is confirm it in your wallet. So there you have it, Wigo Farm. Now you know how to buy and stake your Wigo on WigoSwap. So until next time, do take care.